Hello once again everybody, Jay Hoofy here. Got another review. This is a G-Mark CM707 shotgun style video microphone. Let's get right to it. Alright, let's see here. Now this I got on eBay for about around 35 bucks, I believe it was. So let's see here. Well, you got your windscreen pop filter. Looks like comes with a very nice quality adapter. Pretty impressive. Looks like you got your paperwork, instruction manual down there. Let's see what else we got here. Got a holder. Looks like it comes with two holders and a metal tripod. And let's see the difference. That's one. Okay, this one has a narrower hole on the bottom, if you can see that, to go on a video style tripod, I believe. That's what it looks like anyway. Whereas this one goes, it's wider, it goes on your typical big microphone tripod. And then here we go. Let's see, it comes with, this is just an audio cable. This is quite a bunch of stuff for 35 bucks. And here is your shotgun style microphone. It is all metal. Let's see, does it take batteries? I guess I'll have to look into whether it takes batteries or not. But it is definitely a good looking microphone. I will do a little bit of playing with it and give you a review of it next. Okay, as of now you are listening to the G-Mark microphone, and you will be for the remainder of this video. One quick note, the other mic holder, it was for a cold shoe, so it has a cold shoe mount to attach it to camera, video, camcorder of sorts. So that's what that other microphone mount was. As far as the quality of this microphone, I did some recordings and listened to a few examples of it, acoustic guitar and voice, and it is good. It is nice. It might not be as bright and detailed as an actual professional quality microphone, but considering this thing is not battery powered, and for the price and for what all you get, I would still say it is a good value. I would recommend it. Just don't do try to do any professional studio singing recordings or anything like that with it. But as far as a portable microphone, it'll catch conversation and voice just fine and sound very good. So I would give it value and performance. I'd give it about an 8 out of 10. I would recommend it. And I thank you guys for listening. Please like and subscribe, and I will keep doing these, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks again.